Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Alpha Futures to Ninjatrader. Before beginning the setup, confirm that you have received your Trader login credentials from Alpha Futures. Your account must be activated and the approval email should clearly specify whether you are using the live server for funded accounts or the demo server for evaluation accounts. Also, make sure Ninjatrader version 8.1 or higher is installed on your computer, as this version is recommended for stable connections. If your Alpha Futures account is not Trader based, contact their support team before attempting to connect. Now, launch Ninjatrader 8 on your PC. Once the platform opens, go to the Control Center window. At the top menu, click on Connections, then select Configure. Inside the Connections configuration window, click on Add. From the list of available connection types, choose Trader. Then, click Next. Now, enter the login details exactly as provided in your Alpha Futures email. Type your username and password carefully. After that, select the correct server environment. Choose Demo if you are in the evaluation phase. Choose Live if you have a funded account. Once everything is entered correctly, click Finish. Next, go back to the Control Center. Click on Connections again, and at this time, select your newly created Trader connection from the list. Wait a few seconds until the connection status shows connected. This confirms that your account is successfully linked. To verify everything is working properly, go to New and open a chart. Then, go to New again and open Super DOM. In either window, check the Account drop-down menu. Select your Alpha Futures account and confirm that your account balance is visible. Once the balance appears and the connection status shows connected, your Alpha Futures account is successfully connected to Ninjatrader and you are ready to start trading. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.